Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert copyright symbol in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Now, I am go to the footer option. Select this header and footer option. Now I am go to some down, select the scroll bar and go some down, and we can see here the add footer option. Now I am click the footer option, then go back the insert menu, and we can see here not available the symbol option. Now I am close the header footer view. Go to the view and click the outside and select the normal option. Now I am click inside a cell, then go to the insert menu, select the symbol option and insert the copyright symbol at first, then click close, then select the symbol, click right button and choose copy, then go to the header and footer option, then go some down and click the footer option, click right button and paste this footer copyright symbol. Select the symbol and go to the home menu, increase the size, then click outside and go to the view menu, make normal. Then we go to the file menu, select the print option and see the preview. We can see we insert copyright symbol in Excel footer easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.